here we can see the login sign up forms for the web application. Through this web application, both admins and users can sign up to the system. So here is a demo of the login page. So you should type the email address correctly and the password. Then if the password or anything incorrect, it will give shows that there is no account in this type. So person should insert the correct values for this. Here the database part. So now we're going to insert the correct values. Yes, if successfully login, it will show like this. Then you save the user name and the password to the browser. So we do this when we're doing the project. This video clip was sent by Yurushan when doing this project. So it's the login also web application.
After logging to Smart Meter application as user, he can see Smart Meter user dashboard. But if he has not entered the CEB and CWB account details yet, he can click on here and confirm his account details. The scenario behind this is CEB and CWB databases are also connected to the system. Using user's relevant NIC number, the system is find the account number regarding the NIC and display it in this form. By submitting this, he can see his real-time EXIT usage. By doing the same, he can view his real-time water usage also. Flow rate and the water usage of units. After logging to Smart Meter web application as admin, he can see the admin dashboard. This dashboard is relevant to Smart Meter electricity admin. This is the home page of admin dashboard. The admin can get the details about the real-time electricity usage of all users as a chart, and he can get the details about total usage of users as kilowatts and units. In addition to that, he has options to search, add, delete and update users. By clicking search user, the admin can search any user who added the CEB details to Smart Meter. By clicking add user, the admin can add new user. This form is validated and usernames are unique. By clicking delete user, the admin can delete any user. He can query user's information using username and can delete it. By clicking update user, the admin can update any user. He can query user's information using username and can update. After logging to Smart Meter web application as admin, he can see the admin dashboard. This dashboard is relevant to Smart Meter water board admin. This is the home page the admin can see. The admin can get the details about real-time water usage as units, and as a chart he can get the information about the flow rate of all users. It's like electricity board admin. The water board admin also has the options search user, add user, delete user and update user. When log out, it is directed to the home page.
When you are opening the desktop application, you can see a splash screen like this. So, after loading this splash screen, you are going to a login form like this. If you already have an account, you can enter your username and password and click on the login button. Then you are going to the dashboard. You cannot go to the dashboard without filling these fields. So if you click on the login button without filling this field, you can see a message bar like this. Enter your username and password to login. And also, if you do not have an account, you can create your account from here. So this is the sign up form. You can enter your information in this form. So I will show you an example. So in here, you have to enter your confirmation password correctly. If you do not enter the correct confirmation password, you can see a message like this, wrong confirmation password. So you have to enter the correct confirmation password. And also, you have to fill these all fields. If you do not fill any of these fields, you can see error message like this. So you have to enter your all informations here. Enter your information first. Okay. So if I enter a username that have already exist one, you cannot continue this process. So you can see a message like this username already exists, select a different one. So the username is unique for this process, so you have to enter a different username. So then I click on the sign up button. So if you do the process correctly, you can see a message bar like this, your account has been created. Then okay. Then you are going to the CB account form. This is just like a verification process. If you enter your account number correctly, your details are shown below. If you do not enter, or if you enter a wrong account number, your details are not shown in the below. So I will show you it. So you can see I have entered my CB account number correctly and my account details are shown here. Okay, so then you are entering so after you are entering your account number correctly, this account number is also goes to your user database. Okay, then I go to the next form. This is the bot account form. This is also just like the previous one. And if I do not have a bot account number, I can skip this one. And also, if I enter wrong account number, my details are not shown here. You can see it. So I do not have a bot account. So I go to the next one. So I again go to the login form. And now I have created my account successfully. So now I can enter my username and password and click on the login button. Then I go to the dashboard. So now I will show you what are the database that I have used in here. There are 3 tables I have used. The CB table. There are 2 columns here, NIC and the e-bill account number. This is the NIC that I have shown you as the example, and this is the voter table, and this is the user table. This row is the row that I have entered now. You can see the e-bill account number has been inserted here, but the water bill account number has not been inserted because I have not entered it, and I do not have a water bill account number regarding to this NIC number. So this is the process that is regarding to the login and the sign up.
This is the administrator's desktop application. Here, by entering the account number of any customer, administrators can view the details of the any users. All the details relevant to the user in the database are listed here, and administrators have also the privileges to update any data of the users, and also administrators can delete any user by clicking this delete button. And this tab is used to manage the administrators. One of the administrator can view the details of another administrator by entering his administrator ID. Here the details of the administrator are listed here, and also this method can be used to add a new administrator to the system. This is the dashboard of the desktop application for customers. Here it shows the real-time electricity usage and water usage. These graphs are connected to the database where the meter readings of the customer are recorded. This is the electricity tab, and it shows the billing details of the customer. This shows the outstanding bill amount and units in kilowatts, kilowatt hours. Charges for the units consumed. This is calculated according to the units the user have already used, and fixed charges and charges for the consumed electricity. It is also calculated, and finally it shows the total amount due the time user using this application. And this is the water tab, and it is also exactly working as the electricity tab and shows the billing details for the moment.
So here we can see the water is flowing through the device. So at the moment the device is working, and you can see the database, water usage database. It's updating. It's updating the values time to time. It's updating the values. Here we can see when we see the flow rate, it's updating here, and the time is also same as the system time. It's both are matching here. You can see clearly. So when we go to our tables, this is a PHP script that is also showing the flow rate is updating time to time. Then we go to our dashboard. So the dashboard, we can add users. First we should add a user to the dashboard. So we are currently using one user. Account number is 1 and 4444. So we should add first the user. When after we adding the user, we can see the water flow rate. Water flow rate is plotted, and the water usage is also calculated time to time. This shows the water flow rate. Then the water usage of units and the units. So at a certain time it's showing this amount of units used. So each time these dots represent that certain time periods. This means 1 hour, how many units. So how many units? So it's plotted some few data to the after each hour it's plotted data. So it's showing that when we entered the CEB account number as the same, but here we did not develop for that because current sensor I have brought online order is not working, because those sensors should be calibrated first, otherwise it's not working for our voltage range. So voltage and current range is not measuring. So if it should be calibrated in laboratory, then we should do our experiments. So at the moment we are using only water flow sensor and sending data to the laptop by making a server. Thank you.